Hello everybody, welcome to this another stream today, a second stream. So today we're going to check the severe weather for Storm Prediction Center. So the Storm Prediction Center said I think about 7 or 8 states under a level 2 risk for severe weather. The areas include Raleigh, Charleston, Savannah, parts of Atlanta. You can read them down: Baltimore, Charlotte, DC, Virginia Beach, and Atlanta. Jackson, and the people that are under a level 1 threat: Jacksonville, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Madison, and Montgomery, Alabama. And if you want to look at the threats: tornado threat, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., Virginia Beach, Omaha, and Norfolk, I think. The wind threat is a 15% chance for the people that are under a level 2 threat, and a level 1 threat is for people that are under a level 1 threat. Hail threat is 5% chance for North Carolina, Virginia, DC, South Carolina, and Georgia, and up here 15% chance of hail. Tomorrow's is gonna be a little worse. We got today we got a level 3 threat for north, where we had that, west of where we had the terrible weather last night and stuff. So, and then Green Bay, Rochester, Madison, Appleton, and Ashland, Milwaukee, and people that are under level 2 threat: Milwaukee, Atlanta, Birmingham, Montgomery, and Mobile, Alabama. People under a level 1 threat: Western Raleigh, Chicago, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Charlotte, and DC. So, and also the threats, we have a 10% significant chance of storms. So it could come a level. I think we might get a level 4 of severe weather. That might happen. And wind threat is the same thing. You want to look: 30% chance, not significant for damaging thunderstorm winds, but the hail threat is a 30% significant up, where the level 3 threat is in for west. Next threat is a slight risk for day 3. I think it's on Thursday. Thursday or Friday. We have a level 3 threat for Cleveland, Pittsburgh, Rochester, Buffalo, and Watertown. We got level 1 threat for the Appalachian Mountains, and we're gonna have to monitor these storms quickly. And then 4, 5, 6, and 8 look the same. So now we want to go to the updates for the National Hurricane Center. So if you guys did not hear this morning, we just got a new update that Tropical Storm Blas has just came in for the second advisory app. So this is actually a bad. This could be, it's moving at 2 miles per hour, which is really slow, but it's a really big storm. So it's gonna be, so if we want to look at the path by Wednesday night, it's likely to become a hurricane. Thinking of a hurricane possibly, as we do not have any watches in effect right now, but 3 days looks like it will become a hurricane, and then will weaken by Friday, and it should be done by Sunday. So it'll be pretty cool to see what happens. But we're gonna see the wind speed probability. So it did move. So it looks like the southwestern Mexico will get some tropical storm force winds. Tropical storm force winds, and then in the middle we'll have some. This is actually a new update we got. There's a 20 to 30% chance of some hurricane force wind gusts near where the path is. So it's not really a high chance for it, but yeah, for hurricane wind speed. Look on 24 hours. Yeah, 36. 48, so will happen in the next 72 hours. It will be the worst. It will possibly be 59 wind speed. Is definitely a mid between 5, 10, and 60%. So that's gonna be the arrival time of winds so far, it's been looking like it will hit southwestern Mexico between Wednesday, between this evening and early tonight, all the way until 8 p.m. tomorrow night, which is pretty cool. Which is not, why did I say really cool? Not bad. So here is, there's no warnings in effect. Those tropical storms, the corn winds, so we're gonna have to keep monitoring this storm really quickly. But also, let's head back to, how do I do this? Head home. So this is what we're gonna also watch. This is a 30% chance of cyclone formation if it stays. So this is what we're gonna look at right now. Southwestern satellite indicate that a small area of low pressure has formed in the southwestern Caribbean Sea by showers and thunderstorms. Further development of the system is possible between development of the system is possible just northwest of near the coast of in Honduras, and it could become a tropical depression later this week if the disturbance remains over water, which right now it is over water. An Air Force Reserve Hurricane Hunter aircraft is scheduled to investigate the system tomorrow if it's necessary. Regardless of development, the world could produce periods of heavy rainfall will cross the southeastern part of Mexico. Yes, I think so. Mexico, in Honduras, and eastern Nicaragua. Chance so far. As let's head back to the Eastern Pacific. This is also a 50% chance of development. So, is issuing advisories of newly formed tropical. Off the coast of Central America, showers and thunderstorms off the coast of El Salvador continue to show signs of organization in association with a tuft of low pressure. Further development of the system is possible while it drifts westward, and it could become a tropical depression during the next couple of days. Conditions are forecast to become less construction available by the end of the week. Regardless of the development, locally heavy rain will be possible in Nicaragua, El Salvador, Guatemala, and southern Mexico during the next several days. 48 hours, 50% chance. 5 days, 50% chance. And that's what I have. Let's go ahead and show you the full 9. Let's go Hurricane GFS models for Blas. This is actually a good one because we're gonna have to look at it and monitor it. Let's go ahead and show you. Let's go. I don't know what. It's still loading, so we're gonna have to figure it out. Oh, here it is. So if you wanna look, it is. So this is all. This is how small it's gonna get. So it can go up to 984 if it does next couple of days. So see 99 1097. So it does get a little strengthened. As you want to go to the 93 E. So I think it's like right here. So if you see, it's gonna come straight. It's gonna strengthen a little bit. So if it's gonna likely stay over water, so if you see, it's gonna strengthen. Then it's gonna get small and weaken. But it's gonna try to get back and try to get more strength at the end. So look. Sorry, 1 sec. Okay, 1 sec, guys. Let's go to the spaghetti models. So it looks like on the track, it's not. I think it's not likely to make rainfall in Mexico, but the possibility is could if the more it comes eastward, like the more it comes move, it could get more impacts for the southwestern Mexico coast. So there is gonna be heavy rainfall. I don't think I could pop it up and show you how much it will. Let me look. So it looks like, alright. So spaghetti looks like, but if we're gonna go, I'm sorry guys, I'm messing up big time. So for this one that's forming right here, that's 50-50, it is likely to make rainfall. As of right now, it's likely to make rainfall. In this one, if it does form, it will likely make rainfall too. But if we look at this where it is right now, it is possibly gonna hit rainfall, or it's gonna stay offline and like deform in a couple. And now it's not gonna be a long one. This one, on the other hand, same thing. If it does form, it's gonna make rainfall and then gonna be stopped. The highest winds I'm catching, I think, in like 6 hurricane force winds. No, this is for, I don't even know. It's for this one I'm catching about 65. It's the most I am, but it's not hurricane gust. 66 is what's for knots, so I think it is hurricane. And right here, intensity. Yeah. So let's go ahead and show you. We can go to this one. So this is pretty cool what I can look at. So you can see it is entering like warmer waters. So if it does stay off water, it will hit warmer waters, which means it will more intensify. But let's go ahead and show you this one. This is like we are looking at to see why is it gonna intensify. Because look, it's gonna stop like intensifying right here because it's like 5:15. It's like really low Celsius. But right now, when it does hit Category 1, it will be in like really warm waters, which is like 29 or 30 degrees Celsius. Right now, it's in like between 29 and 30 degrees Celsius right now, which is pretty warm waters if you ask me. But I'm gonna have to keep monitoring these storms too. So if it does intensify, yeah. Let's go to this one right here. Let's see if it intensify. Yes, same thing. It is a little warm waters, but as it will make rainfall, if it does come out here, like if it does come and still trying to form, it could reform, but then somewhere in the Gulf of Mexico. That is something to really monitor when we come here. So we're gonna have to keep monitoring these storms really carefully because it could intensify, it could not. It might. We're gonna have to look at them, but look as we look at here. Like if you look, yes, the storms are all in really warm waters right now. So it will get more intense if it gets inland. But if we but till it comes like right here, it will stop. It will get cold and it will at least intensify, which is pretty cool. Alright, let's go to the weather notes thing. This is what I use for food forecasting. Here we go. So here's all the spaghetti. These are some models that I found. So it looks like most of the models are gonna be stay off land, which is really good. But there will be some heavy rainfall. I don't know how. I know how to show them, but you can't really see how much rain you'll get. So that would be. But when it comes, the track says it will likely do So the more it goes, so it looks like it'll become a 40. It looks like it's gonna get really. It'll be more models and it'll be strengthening and more intensify. For this one, it's the. But if you go here, this is also same thing ish. Wait, is it actually the same thing? Might be the same thing, but see, it's like between these. So yeah. So if you want to look here, this is actually a more intensified one. So this is like a strengthening to like a category 1 between 60, 70, maybe 80, because you can see it more strengthened. You see more colors other than blue green. So this one is also a chance of it for the storm right here, and I think just reloaded for something. I'm gonna go to the satellite radar. Let's go ahead and go to other regions. East Pacific. So I think this one is number 1. If you want to go like, I think this is the storm that just came. That got named. I forgot the name, but yeah, I think this is the storm. Go a little closer in. See, I think this is the storm because can I like move it? See, let's look. Trying to look right here. It's really slow moving, so you'll probably see most of it, but it's really. It's still loading. Oh, here you go. See, it is like rotating, but it's trying to. It's a tropical storm, so you're gonna see it's like a little spin, like way somewhere right here. Okay, live on Tropics. I don't know. How do I look at the forecasted? Do I switch up the estimated rainfall? Or is it on tropical tidbits? If I can look on the potential forecasted rainfall. I will go on the GFS for the Atlantic Open. Is this it? Okay, thanks. GFS on S. Here. Oh, here it is. Alright, here we go. So we want to look right here. Is this it? Is this it? Type in the chat, is this it? Oh, we left. I'm so confused. So it looks like we have 3 to 5 inches of rain possible with the eastern side of it. So alright, I think that's gonna be it for the stream today, guys. Oh. Okay, here we go. So if you want to look, this is the storm. Invest 93, yes. So it looks like all of it is gonna be really weak. So if it does form, as of right now, because it's like not 100% chance, a 50% chance of forming, it's really weak between 30, 40, and 50. So there's not really a big, so it's not gonna change. It's not really gonna likely. It is possible of changing into a, but it is, as of right now, it's like that. Wait, that's my bad. For Invents 93, same thing. Right now, it's not gonna be the same. Yeah. Oh, thanks. I really appreciate it. I gotta look at this. How tropical does pivots go to? What is it? Let me look. Go to forecast models. Hit. Okay, I'm on GFS. Click on GF. Oh my gosh. I'm so confused. Oh. Is this it? Wait. Oh. Oh, I know what to do now. Current storms. No. Forecast model. Global. GFS. Regions. Hit the alright, let me look at this. North Atlantic, okay, North Atlantic. I think I got it. And click on precipitation. Total. I got it. Let's go. Okay. So here are the rainfall totals. Let's go ahead and zoom in right here. Let's just look at the thing. So as you want to look, let's move down here. As you can see, pockets of heavy rain, which is up to about right here from like where this storm is right now. That's cool. So like right here is like up to 20 inches of rain as of right now, but if we keep going in, actually let's move back a little bit. I just want to see there's more rain from the western side where the other tropical storm is, or the one that's trying to form. That's also like 20 inches of rain. But right now it's up to 5. It's like from 1 inch all the way to like 5 and 6 inches, which is a lot of rain for it. On this side also 20 inches, what I said. But it's not done yet, but as we get closer into the 21st. It comes up to 14, 16, even 20 inches of rain, which could lead to a lot of flash flooding, I think mudslides and stuff. So, and also we're gonna stop all the way, as you can see now with one is trying to film. Look at that rain. Still, there's like more pockets. It's just gonna be the flooding storm surge with both of them, and a lot of rain, which could lead to mudslides. I think there might actually, which means 5 to 8 inches of rain on land. We're gonna end it. I have nothing to talk about anymore. Thank you guys for coming watching the stream. Thanks. Is there anything else I need to go over? Live on Tropics? I don't think so. Do you think? Alright. I don't think I'll wait a little bit and we'll look. But let's look at 1 second. Let's go to the outer region. Let's go to the Eastern Pacific. Eastern Pacific. Can't talk. See, so do you see what I mean? Let's go ahead and show you. Which one? So it looks like as we keep getting, so when you get into the week. So if you get into more of the week, I don't have much of them. I'll try. I don't have much to do. You have to give me examples. Text me on Discord. So when you get more into with this storm right around here, that was weird. So if you get more into the week, so you can see up to 5 or 6 inches of rain, which in wind, which could lead to some flooding, mudslides and stuff. But most of the rain will be like 1 to 2, 3, 4 maybe, even 5 inches. So anything can happen as we get to this. As we get more into the week, but we're not done yet. This is as of the 17th from Friday. But as we get more into the week, like I said, we can get up to 12 inches of rain up here. But some will still stay at 5 to 6, 7, or maybe 8 inches. But anything else, this is where we're gonna look at right here. Look at that, about to 12 inches of rain, maybe 14 inches of rain as we get into the more later of the week. But this is as of right now, so we do not know how much. We'll have to have another update tomorrow next stream, if I'm able to do it. So we can get up to 16 inches of rain on land. Up here you'll get 12, 14 it looks like, but on the coast will be the worst. Main threat will be up to 2 to 6 inches of rain. Anything else other? I don't have much products, by the way, too. Anything else to do? I think that's gonna be it for the stream, unless I don't think anything else to do on the stream. Looks like, but this is the new update. We do the new update for it, I guess. For the new update, Blas did form this morning. 45 miles an hour, moving at north at 2 miles an hour, and 1,002 men mobile, I think. But then we got this one, same thing, 50% chance until then. Then we got like something right here. 30% chance of forming in the next 48 hours and 5 days. Medium, 40%. As we head back, let's leave the severe storms out of the way for a second. Same thing. Level 2 is tornado. Is the tornado threat. Right here. Up here. Wind threat. And hail. This is all today's threat. Day 2 outlook. Same thing. But there's a way worse tornado threat. Up here it's a 10% significant, which is automatic level 3. Even at level 2, level 3 is also 10%. So that's like the level 3 and a wind, 30% chance. Not surprised if I'll be surprised if it's I won't be surprised if it's significant. The hail threat, 30% chance significant. So up to 2 inches or higher of hail, which is pretty brutal. So day 3 outlook, we'll get an update of the chances for north, including Buffalo. So yeah. Weather. Is this the app? Right, this is it. I doubt it is, but is this it? Yes or no? Okay, thanks. So, forecast. Let's go to weather 24 hours. No, down here. So we're seeing 10. Wait. Next 6 hours we'll have 1, 3, 7, 6 and 7 inches, 3 and 9. I think that's it, but I don't know what I'm doing much. I think this is the current temperatures. Oh. Oh my gosh. 24 hours. Okay, this is so confusing. Go to forecast and select any model thinks. Oh, this is cool. GFS. So the temperature CMS CMA 10 mod days. So look at this heat. We're gonna look at the heat real quick. So you can see, I think this is for today at 4 o'clock. We can see hundreds and stuff, 100 degrees in the mountain. Let's go 7 o'clock. It gets cool. Let's go down to the. I think another big threat of it's gonna be like the. Let's go here. 4 o'clock on that day, we're gonna have hundreds up in North Carolina, which is pretty. We're supposed to get 100 degrees, but we had a heat advisory in effect right now. Let's go on to next week. I think I have a chance to do next week, but this is actually big. Over 100 degrees. If you want to see white, look at that. Over 100 degrees in North Carolina, in the coast. That's over 100 degrees. That's really wow. That's. We're gonna have nope. I know. This is fun. So this is all the heat. If you want to go to next week, look. That is over 100 degrees for North Carolina. That's pretty big. If you want to zoom in on that, we'll zoom in. Oh, here we go. Oh, between 104 and 107 degrees. Oh, I don't like that. This is what is possible. Let's zoom out. How do I zoom out? Let's go ahead. Zoom out. There you go. I'm smart. Let's go to tomorrow's 1 o'clock temperatures for tomorrow. It's gonna be really. If you want to look, we can probably zoom in. It'll be warm and humid in the south. Up in New Detroit, it's gonna be about 70s, between the 70s and 80s, and maybe 90s, which is gonna be hot and stuff. But the GFS model, this is actually a bigger one. This one tells me what's actually. I like the GFS model. Let's go to next. So, this is 1:80 p.m. Let's go to the GFS model for North Carolina, because this is going to probably be the hottest day of the year. Over 100 degrees, which is hot. It's going to be hot next Wednesday. We're going to go. I think we're good now. We're going to end the stream here, guys. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be a hot next week. If you guys let's zoom out and show you what's going to be like. So if you want to go to the categories, hot in the south, hot in the southwest, southeast, it's going to be hot so if it is hot, make sure to drink plenty of water today and tomorrow. Make sure to drink plenty of water if you're outside, because it's going to be hot this week. It's already hot, and yeah. Thank you guys for coming to watch the stream, guys. Thank you. And we're going to see you guys next stream. Bye.